Understanding Caravan Reviews, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, caravan reviews. This is a common term, especially if you're interested in travel or vehicles. Let's dive in and understand what it really means and how it's used in everyday English. The word caravan has a couple of meanings. Firstly, it refers to a vehicle equipped for living in, typically towed by a car and used for vacations. It's similar to what some might call a trailer RV, recreational vehicle, in other English-speaking countries. The second meaning of caravan is a group of people, especially traders or pilgrims, traveling together across a desert or other hostile regions. Reviews are evaluations or assessments of something. They are often written or recorded opinions about products or services, shared publicly to help others make informed decisions. Reviews are commonly found for books, movies, products, and yes, caravans too. So, when we combine these two terms, caravan reviews refer to the evaluations or assessments of caravans as a product. These reviews might include details about the caravan's design, features, comfort, price, and suitability for various travel needs. They are particularly useful for people looking to purchase or rent a caravan for their travels. Understanding caravan reviews is crucial, especially for travelers or those interested in buying a caravan. These reviews provide insights into the pros and cons of different models, offer real user experiences, and can guide you in making the best choice for your needs and budget. And that's a wrap on caravan reviews. We hope this video has helped you understand this term better. Remember, reviews are a valuable resource for making informed decisions, especially when it comes to something as significant as choosing a caravan for your travels. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.